What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove gel polish with an electric file. And the electric file I'm using today is the Gelish Go File IQ. It is a smart electric file. The bit I'm using is a extra coarse carbide and it's also a safety bit. I like to have my bits fully inserted. You're going to want to make sure the handpiece is in the lock position. The IQ does have memory settings, and so my third memory setting there, that is at 25,000 RPM. This is more of a pro video, but those that are DIYers, you're more than welcome to use these tips. So when the electric file is in the forward position and it's spinning, it's going to be spinning in a clockwise rotation. And what I'm doing here is I'm going around the edges first. You'll notice that on the right side of the nail, I go in an upward movement around the cuticle, and towards the left side, we're going downward. And then towards the center, we're just going from right to left. Now with each pass, you really don't have to press down hard. You're already going at 25,000 RPM and you really don't want it to get hot on your client's fingernail. A really good pro tip for this is after you make a pass, pick up the bit and then continue making another pass. The main reason I use the fastest speed is because you don't want the nail to get hot and you want to remove the product as fast as you can so it doesn't get hot and there isn't that friction. So you want to keep your bit moving and don't stay in the same spot too long. If you're left-handed, you're going to want to do everything in reverse. You're also going to want to switch your machine to reverse. So if you look at these nails, we were able to remove all this gel polish in under 5 minutes.